Hello my dear students, today we will discuss to find the ds of is degree of static indeterminacy of beams. First we will know what is the formula for ds. To find the ds, degree of static indeterminacy, the formula it is equal to degree of external indeterminacy plus degree of internal indeterminacy, that will be equal to the total static indeterminacy of the beam. Okay, so for the beam, the DSI, degree of static internal indeterminacy value, will be equal to 0 because it is continuous beam, there is no closed loop. That's why that value is equal to 0. Means from this equation I get to know, so if you want to calculate the ds of the beam, so ds is equal to dse. Okay, so total static indeterminacy ds is equal to dsc. So how we are supposed to calculate dsc? So for to calculate the dsc, the formula is r minus e minus h dash. Just here it is written. Okay, that is r minus e minus h dash. What do you mean by r? R means number of reactions. R means number of reactions, and E is the number of static equilibrium equations, and H is the number of additional equation that is to be required due to internal hinge. Okay, first we will know about R, number of reactions. Okay, usually you know what are the different types of supports. Okay, if for the supports you have the reactions. First one I will go with the roller support. Okay, how it is to be shown the roller support? The roller support will be like that. Okay, for roller support how many reactions? Okay, in the diagram, in the beam, if it is given roller, for roller support how many reaction? For roller support only one reaction, that is always perpendicular to the base. So if it is when the in the beam roller comes, means what is the value of r I am supposed to take? I am supposed to take r value is equal to 1. Okay, so second one is what? Second one is hinge support. Second one is hinge support. How it is to be shown? The hinge support will be shown like that. So in the diagram, if hinge support is given, so how many reactions will be developed for hinge support? For hinge support, the total number of reactions that will be developed will be 2. One is vertical and one is horizontal. So I will name this one, that is RA and HA. If it is support. So hinge support, if it is given, how many reactions you are supposed to take? You are supposed to take 2 reactions. Next, third one is called, that is fixed support. Third one is fixed support. How it is to be shown? Okay, you should know how the fixed support, how the hinge support, and how the roller support is to be shown. Okay, so fixed support is to be shown like that. This is fixed support. For fixed support, how many reactions we are having? For fixed support, I am having total number of 3 reactions. One is vertical, so if we take this A support, and one is horizontal, and one is movement. Total number of reaction for fixed support is how much? That will be equal to. For remembering point of view, I given the sequence. How I given? First is roller, means 1 reaction. Second is hinge, that is 2 reaction. Third is fixed, means how many reaction? 3 number of reactions. And I think you got about R. Next, E. What is the condition of equilibrium? When you say the body is in equilibrium, if it is for 2D, means condition of equilibrium is that is summation of fx is equal to 0, summation of fy is equal to 0, and summation of m is equal to 0. Means how many condition of equilibrium are there? 3. Means for e value always we supposed to take 3 for 2D. Okay, next, what is h? H is the number of additional equation that is to be required due to internal hinge. So if it is the beam, so this is the beam, there is an internal hinge is there. So means you need some additional equation. Okay, so for that one, how you have to calculate the value of h dash? Means I will tell this is m minus 1. So this internal hinge is connected with how many members here? It is connected 2 members, 1 and this one is 2. So how will calculate? Member is 2 minus 1. So h dash value will be equal to 1. Okay, I think you got an idea about this one. So R means number of reaction, E is the equilibrium equation, and HS is the number of additional equation that is to be required for the additional hinge. Okay, so what we will do, we will solve some problems, you will get an idea about this one. Okay, so you have to remember that formula. Okay, so we will start one by one. So first I will draw the diagram. So I will start with the simple problems. Okay, don't worry about this one. So this is the beam I will draw. Okay, I think you got an idea about this one. So this beam is this is simply supported beam. So first one is which kind of support? So this support is hinge support. Okay, what about this one? This one is roller support. For hinge support, just now I told how many reactions are there. For hinge support we are having 2 reactions. For hinge support how many reactions? 2 reaction. For roller support how many reaction? 1 reaction. He is asking you to calculate the ds. What is asking? He is asking to calculate the ds. Okay, already you know what is ds formula. ds is equal to dse plus dsi. This is the formula to calculate the degree of total static determinacy. So already you know for the beam the value of dsi will be equal to what? That will be equal to 0. So I will remove this one. So only I am supposed to calculate dse. So already you know what is the formula for dse. Okay, for dse the formula is r minus e minus h dash. So number of reactions are how much? For here 2 and here 1. So number of reactions are here 3. And number of static equilibrium equations are how much? Okay, that will be 3. Okay, for 2D. And what is there any internal hinges there? No, there is no internal hinge there. That's why equal to 0. So what is the total static indeterminacy for this beam? Static indeterminacy, the ds value for this beam will be equal to 0. For this beam, the degree of static indeterminacy is equal to 0. Okay, we will move for the next question. Okay, this is very simple. Okay, try to understand the things. Okay, next. So this is the beam I am giving to you. So this is which kind of beam? So this is cantilever beam. Okay, next we calculate the formula. So what is the formula? Once again I will write r minus e minus h dash to calculate the dsa. Tell me number of reactions here. So this is the fixed support, means how many reactions will be there? There will be 3 reactions. Okay, so again we will calculate this one. Let's see what is the answer we are getting. Number of reactions will be 3, and number of static equilibrium equations are how much? Number of static equilibrium equations are how much? That will be equal to again 3. Is there any internal hinges there? No, that is equal to 0. Means number for this one, what is the answer? Degree of static indeterminacy value, that will be equal to 0. Okay, so we will move for the next question. Next. So this is the beam. It is propped cantilever beam. What do you mean by propped cantilever beam? If one end is fixed and other end is supported, then that type of beam is called propped cantilever beam. You tell me this is fixed support. How many reactions are here? For this one you are having 3 reaction, and this one is ruler support. For ruler support how many reaction? 1 reaction. You know the formula. Formula is r minus e minus h dash. You tell me what is the number of reactions. We are calculating ds. Okay, remember this one. So what is the number of reactions are here? 3. For fixed support 3, and for roller support 1. So this here you are giving 4 reaction. And next one is number of static equilibrium equations are 3. This summation fx is equal to 0, summation fi is equal to 0, and summation m is equal to 0. Is there any internal hinge there? No. So what is the answer for this question? 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So ds for this beam is equal to 1. ds for this beam is equal to 1. Okay, we will move for the next question now. So again both ends are fixed. Okay, so again I will write the formula here, that is r minus e minus h dash. You tell me number of reactions are how much here? For this one fixed support, how many reactions are here? Here 3 reactions. For this end again there will be 3 reactions. You tell me ds value now. So number of reactions are how much? 3 plus 3, 6. 6 minus the number of static equilibrium equations are how much? That summation fx is equal to 0, fi is equal to 0, and m is equal to 0. This will be 3. Is there any internal hinge there? No, that is equal to 0. So what is the value of ds? Means the value of ds will be equal to 6 minus 3. And this value is equal to 3. Degree of total static indeterminacy, the ds of this beam will be equal to 3. Okay, we will move for the next question. Okay, for this beam, tell me the values. You solve this one, just pause it and you can solve this one. Okay, can you solve this one? ds of this beam, so ds will be equal to, so number of reactions are how much? So you tell me. So for number of reaction will be, this is fixed, this will be 3, again this will be 3, the total number of reactions will be 6. Okay, minus equilibrium equations are how much? That will be 3. Is there any internal hinge is there in this beam? Yes, definitely there is an internal hinge is there. So how will calculate this h dash? So h dash is equal to h dash will be equal to it is m minus 1. It is connected with how many members? 2 members. That's why is equal to 2 minus 1. So that is equal to 1. So h dash value is equal to 1. So that is minus 1. So how much you are getting? 6 minus 3 minus 1. So what is the value of this one? This will be equal to 2. How much you are getting? This value will be equal to 2. Okay, so ds of this beam is 2. Okay, next. So this is the beam, and here this is roller, and this is roller. Okay, so what is the ds of this beam? Just pause it and just find out the values. So ds of this, so for this one fixed support, here how many reactions are there? Here there will be 3, here 1 reaction, here 1 reaction. Already at the starting of the lecture itself I told. Okay, so formula will be r minus e minus h dash. So you tell me what is the value of r? Number of reactions 3 plus 1 plus 1, that will be 5. And number of equilibrium equations are how much here? Number of equilibrium equations are 3. Is there any internal hinge is there? No, that is equal to 0. So 2 minus 3, that is equal to 2. 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. Means for degree of static indeterminacy for this beam, that will be equal to how much? That is equal to 2. Okay, we will move for the next question. Okay, we will solve maximum problems. You will get confidence about the solving the problems. Okay, so next problem will be like that. So this is the case. So this is the case, and next one this will be hinge. You tell me what is the formula? Already you know. Do you have to calculate the ds? Okay, now I will not write the formula. Okay, so what is the formula? R minus e minus h dash. So number of reactions are how much here? For number of reactions for fixed, this will be 3. Okay, for this one is 1, and this one is 1, and this one is 2. The number of reactions will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number of reactions will be 7 minus, that you will get confused otherwise. R minus e minus h dash. So r will be equal to how much? 7. What about static equilibrium equations are 3. Okay, minus, is there any internal hinge there? No, there is no internal hinge. So the final value will be equal to 7 minus 3. So answer for this question, that will be 7 minus 3 will be equal to how much? That will be 4. Okay, so this is the static indeterminacy for this beam. Okay, we will move for the next question now. Here there is a ruler. Okay, here again there is a ruler, here again there is a ruler. Okay, here I am going to take some hinge support, and again what I will do, I will provide some internal hinges here and here. Let's solve this problem. Okay, first I will write some area formula. What is the formula? R minus e minus h dash. Okay, this is the formula for ds. Now tell me total number of reactions. Total number of reactions will be here 1, here 1, here 1, and here 2. So total number of reaction will be 2, 3, 4, 5. So total number of reaction, that will be equal to 5. And what about number of static equilibrium equations? That is 3. Next, how will calculate the h dash? Okay, h dash will be Okay, so h dash, I will calculate h dash. Okay, I will remove this one here. So h dash will be, h dash is equal to, I will take this h1 plus h2. So h1, two internal hinges are there. For h1, this is connected with two members, 1 2. So again this will be m minus 1. With this internal hinge connected with two member, m minus 1 is equal to 1, and second one is also same, h2 is also same. So h2 is equal to what? I will calculate h2. The h2 is also again is equal to m minus 1. This is second one. Okay, so this is second one, no? So again it is connected with two members, so m minus 1. So that will be 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. So total h will be equal to, so total h, so total h is equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. So then what is the final answer? So that is equal to minus 2. So final value will be equal to 5 minus 3 minus 2. What is the answer for this question? The answer will be equal to 0. The degree of static indeterminacy for this beam, that will be equal to 0. Okay, we will move for the next question. Here one roller is there, here one roller is there, here one roller is there, and here internal. Just solve this one. We solve this one. So what is the formula? R minus E minus H dash. Okay, the ds is equal to R minus. So what is the number of reaction? So this is fixed support. How many reactions are there? Here 3 reactions. Okay, it is roller means 1, here 1, and this is internal hinge. Okay, so number of reaction 3 4 5. The number of reactions will be 5. Okay, for this one 5. Number of statistical equations, that will be equal to 3. What about, is there any internal hinge in this beam? Yes, we are seeing some internal hinge is there. Where is that one? So internal hinge is given here. So already he is given the internal hinge here. The internal hinge is connected with how many members? It is connected with 2 members. Okay, it is connected with how many members? It is connected 2 members, 1 2. So already I know how I am supposed to calculate h dash. That is equal to m minus 1. Total of members, how many it is connected? 2, and minus 1. So what is the value of h dash? That is equal to 1. So minus 1. So finally the answer for this question will be equal to, what is the answer? That is 5 minus 3 minus 1, that is equal to 1. Means degree of static indeterminacy for this beam, that is equal to 1. Okay, so we'll move for the next question. So I will take, this is hinge, this is ruler, this is ruler. You tell me, you solve this one directly. R minus E minus H dash. Solve this one. A number of reactions are 2 here, 1 here, and 1 here. Means total number of reactions are how much? 4. Much number of static equations are 3. And is there any internal hinge is there? Okay, let's take on the internal hinge here. So what is the formula for internal hinge? H minus 1. Sorry, H is equal to m minus 1. So that is equal to 1. So that's what the final answer for this question will be equal to 4 minus 3, that is equal to 0. The degree of static indeterminacy for this beam, that will be equal to how much? That is 0. Okay, now we find the degree of ds for this beam. Okay, so what is the formula? Again I will write r minus e minus h dash. So r number of reactions, this is hinge 2 and this is also hinge, that is equal to 2. So total number of reactions are 4 minus number of equilibrium equations 3. Here for this hinge there are two hinges, so that was h dash h1 is equal to m minus 1, means that is equal to 1. For this one the one addition, for this one more addition, so total will be equal to 2, so that is equal to 2. So how what is the answer? 4 minus 3 minus 2, so what is the answer? That is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is the answer. So one thing you have to remember, why we are calculating degree of static indeterminacy means to know the structure is stable or unstable. Okay, so if you get the negative value, you will say the structure is unstable. So if you are getting ds value is equal to 0, then we will say structure is stable. If ds value is greater than 0, then we will say overstable or over rigid. Okay, by calculating the ds you can judge how the structure is. Okay, that's why we are calculating ds. Okay, so you should know these all things. Okay, so one more problem we'll do now. Tell me for this one how many r minus e minus h dash, number of reactions are how much? Here 3, again here will be 3, again here will be 3, and here there will be one reaction. So here how many reactions are there? Here 2 reactions. So total number of reactions are how much? 3, 6, 9, 11. Total number of reactions are 9. Number of static equilibriums are 3. So is there any internal hinge there? No. So what is the value here? 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3, that is equal to how much? That will be equal to 8. Okay, 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. Okay, next last problem will solve. So this is the beam, one more beam I will take. So again I will give here, there is a ruler. So you tell me fast, you do this one, that is r minus e minus h dash. So number of reactions are almost fixed, both this is fixed, means here 3 and here that will be 3, and here the varying roller means only one reaction, so total number of reactions are 7. Okay, so minus now equilibrium equations are 3. Is there any internal hinge is there? No, there is no internal hinge. So finally I am getting the answer, that is ds for this beam, that will be equal to 4. I think you are very much aware about to calculate the degree of static indeterminacy for the beam. Okay, so what we will do in the next lecture, we will solve the problems on degree of static indeterminacy for plane frames. Okay, thank you very much. I request if you like my video, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you very much.